Hi guys, welcome back to Amara Talks Morning channel. If you're just coming across my channel for the first time, ensure to like and subscribe so that I'll be encouraged to make more helpful videos like this. In this video guide, I'll be talking about how to connect your Meta wallet to the Gemgala app. On my previous video, I talked about how to make money and how to create an account on the Gemgala app. Now, on the Gemgala app, you can earn through various means. You can earn through partying, you can earn through live section, you can earn through chatting, you can earn through playing game, and you can also earn through the referral system. Alright, but in this video, I'll be talking mainly about how to connect your MetaTask wallet for withdrawal. Because for you to withdraw on this Gemgala app, you first need to withdraw to your MetaTask wallet, and from there you can now withdraw to any bank of your choice, any local bank of your choice, or you can withdraw through USDT. All right, you can withdraw to any bank of your choice, like your First Bank, your UBO, or any bank you have. For other countries, you can also withdraw to any local bank of your choice or through USDT. But in this video guide, I'll be talking about how to create your MetaTask wallet first. All right. So here is a video guide on how to connect your wallet on Gemgala app. Alright, so you have to click on the green bonus, the green coin you're having. Alright, once you click on it, then you click on the withdraw button. On this app, you can only withdraw a minimum of $10. Then you click on Meta Wallet Unbound for you to first connect your Meta wallet, then connect it. You understand? Now you are going to click on email and fill in your email. After filling in your email, they are going to request for a code, alright? And the code is going to be sent to your email. So you have to input the code. Alright. Now after inputting the code, you have to enter a password. Okay. Now you click on authorize. You can see that your account has been successfully bounded. Now, what you need to do is to increase your withdrawal limit, alright? We have basic and we have others. So to do that, you just have to click on the Meta wallet you just created, right? Click withdraw to Meta wallet. So after clicking on withdraw to Meta wallet, you can see the levels we have. That is the minimum withdrawal. On the basic level, you can withdraw from $10 upward up to $50. While on the semi-verified level, you can withdraw from $500 upward. But you just have to do that of the basic level. So just input your name, your first name, your middle name, your last name, gender, and everything they are requesting for. Just input it. Input it the way it is on your NIN, alright? Or just input it the way it is. Then you click on authorize. After clicking on authorize, you successfully bounded your Meta wallet. Now, whenever you want to place a withdrawal, you just click on withdraw and withdraw to your Meta wallet. You have to withdraw to your Meta wallet first before withdrawing to any other bank, like your local bank. So that's the end of the video.